Hello friends, let's go on a jungle safari with Miss Sangeeta. And to go on a safari, we don't really have to drive there. We can read this book and imagine we are being in the jungle. This book is called Jungle Sounds, and this book talks about adventures of this monkey, this little monkey. Are you guys ready? Little jungle. Little monkey hears a roar. Oh, can you guess what little monkey has found? A lion. Let's see. Ready for the next page? Little monkey hears a growl. Grrr. Can you guess what little monkey has found? A bear. Let's see what little monkey finds next. The little monkey hears a howl. Hoo, hoo. What little monkey has found? A wolf. Are you ready for the next? Let's turn our page. Little monkey hears a snore. Can you guess what little monkey has found? A hippo. The end. Did you have fun going to the jungle safari with Miss Sangeeta and discovering all the different sounds the different animals make? Bye till the next time. See ya.